Hello friends, today my topic is three-letter blends or CVC blends. CVC means consonant, vowel and consonant. In my previous video, I have shown two-letter blends with alphabet sound to teach your child to read easily. The link of this video has been given in the description below. Now we will start three-letter blends with some fun. Before making three-letter words or blends to memorize easily for a child, we will make a word family with vowel and consonant. Now, first we will start with vowel A. If we take vowel letter A and consonant letter T together, it will make at sound. We have to read like this: a, t, at, a, t, at. After making the concept clear in your child's mind, we will make three-letter words adding consonant letter in front of at. Here is a chart of three-letter blends under at family. We can teach our child by playing this game. This is B. What is inside this paper? At. Let's read together. Bat. What is inside this paper? Oh, this is bat. K. What is inside this paper? At. Let's read together. Cat. What is inside this paper? Oh, this is cat. We can follow this way for the remaining. R. At. Rat. Oh, this is rat. At. Mat. Mat. F. At. Fat. Oh, this is a fat boy. H. At. Hat. Wow, very nice hat. Or else we can teach three-letter blends by using flashcard. Now I am making another word family using vowel letter A and consonant letter M together. We have to read like this: a, am, a, am. Next I am showing you how to teach by using flashcard. This is a flashcard. Now we have to teach like this. This is the, am, dam, the, am, dam. This is dam. J, am, jam, j, am, jam. Wow, tasty, tasty jam. R, am, ram, r, am, ram. Wow, a very cute ram. H, am, ham, h, am, ham. This is ham. There are so many blends with vowel A, like egg family. B, egg, bag. F, egg, fag. L, egg, leg. N, egg, nag. R, egg, rag. S, egg, sag. T, egg, tag. W, egg, wag. Next, N. B, and, ban. K, and, can. F, and, fan. P, and, pan. R, and, ran. T, and, tan. M, and, man. B, and, van. Next, app family. K, ab, cat. D, ab, dad. F, ab, fat. L, ab, lad. T, ab, tat. Next, add family. B, add, bat. D add dad, H add had, L add lad, M add mad, P add pad, S add sad. And last one, app family. K app cap, G app gap, L app lap, M app map, N app nap, R app rap, S app sap, T app tap, Y app yap. Next my video will be based on vowel letter E. If you like my video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.